If you're experiencing lag spikes on your Steam Deck, this guide will help you troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. Follow these steps to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check for software updates. Ensure your Steam Deck is running the latest software version. Go to Settings, select System, and check for any available updates. Installing the latest updates can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 2. Optimize graphics settings. Adjust the graphics settings in your games to reduce strain on the hardware. Lowering the resolution, turning off VSync, and reducing texture quality can help minimize lag spikes during gameplay. Step 3. Manage background processes. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be consuming system resources. Press the Steam button, navigate to the Quick Access menu, and exit any apps that are not needed while gaming. Step 4. Monitor temperature. Overheating can cause performance issues. Use the built-in performance overlay to monitor the temperature of your Steam Deck. If it's running too hot, consider using a cooling pad or playing in a cooler environment. Step 5. Adjust power settings. Change the power settings to prioritize performance. Go to Settings, select Performance, and adjust the power profile to Performance mode. This can help reduce lag by ensuring the hardware operates at its best. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce lag spikes on your Steam Deck and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.